Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Oculus app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sign up or create an account in your Oculus app, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself, and once you open it, you need to now tap on continue with email address. So once you tap on it, you will end up in this page. So you need to simply type in your email address, and once you have typed in email address, you can hit the next button. So tap on the create new account option and type in your first name and your surname. After all these steps are done, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply type in your birth date. So after this is also done, you need to create a password for your account and tap on the create account option. After you are done with this, you need to now enter the confirmation code that has been sent to your email and hit the continue button. Once you have completed this step as well, now you need to simply type in your name and username for your account. After this process is also completed, you will be headed towards this interface where you need to tap on the next button, and then finally you can continue as your username. After all these steps are completed, you will finally create an account in Oculus and get signed up in the Oculus app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.